Hi all mga sismars, welcome back ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So for today's video and content, another unboxing na naman tayo ng isang Android phone. So we have here the Itel Super Ultra or Super 26 Ultra. Okay, so we purchased this one online and this is worth 9,000 SRP. But sa end namin, nabili lang namin siya ng 6,000 pesos. Again, if you want to consider buying this Android phone, just click the yellow basket down below or pwede nyo i-check yung description box natin. Kasi nandun yung link ng product kung saan nyo siya mas murang mabibili. Kasi meron tayong exclusive voucher lang na binibigay sa atin dito sa ating YouTube channel. So, this is Itel AI phone, 144Hz with 1.5K 3D curve AMOLED. Okay, so, dito yung kanyang quick specification. So, we have battery capacity, 6,000 mAh battery capacity. Okay. In-display, fingerprint scanner, infrared remote, G-sensor, GPS, OTG, NFC. Okay. So, open na natin to. And meron na pala kasama tong free protective cover included with this Android phone. Okay. So, itatabi ko lang saglit itong si ating box and then proceed tayo checking the inclusion sa ating Android phone. Of course, we have here, ito ata yung case na sinasabi nila. But, oh, may tempered glass na siyang kasama mga sismars, which is good kasi ayan, hindi ka na mahihirapan pang pa-install or gagastos pa magpa-install pa ng tempered glass. Kasi 'di ba, naka-protective lang siya. We have SIM eject tool or SIM ejector. Manuals and guidelines, meron din tayo dito sa loob, ayan. Hindi yan mawawala, of course. Ang galing, no? May kasama na siyang tempered glass. We have here case. Oh. Ang ganda ng case niya. May MagSafe, na din siya. And, hard case siya. Though hindi ako fan ng mga gatong case kasi nga, diba, pag nabagsak mo siya, alam niyo na, hindi siya safe for me. Pero, slim siyang tignan. Ang ganda. Okay. We have 18 watts fast charging or charging brick in here. And then, Type-C pin ejector. To. And then, check na natin yung ating unit or device. Hold on. Medyo nahihirapan. Ayun, no? Swak na swak. Okay. So, kunin natin siya. Ang hirap. Wait lang. Ibalik pala natin to. Kailangan pala natin siya ibalik. Then, close natin. Para medyo okay, tignan. So, this is the phone. Tanggalin lang natin yung ating plastic. So, we need to be careful, of course. And slim siya, mga sismars, ha. Sa right corner, we have here a power button. And then, volume up and down. Sa bottom part, we have the speaker, microphone, SIM eject, SIM tray, and then Type-C charging cord. And good news, we have a punch hole, cut action. So, good news, meron tayong punch hole dito, which is 10 out of 10 agad sa akin. Kasi, so talaga sa Android phone is yung naka-punch hole na, kasi mas feel mo yung screen niya pag naka-punch hole na siya. Okay, so check natin kaagad yung camera module in 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. So, we have 3 lens in here, 4 lens indeed. And then we have flash. So, I'm not sure if this lenses is working. And as you can see, we have Itel branding in here. Matte finish, marble effect. So, bago sa paningin ko yung mga ganitong kind of design ng mga iPhone, So, para siyang marble yung effect niya. Though pag ititilt mo siya, wala siyang sort of moving design. Pero pag tinignan mo siya, para siyang tiles ate ko yung design niya. So, siguro kaya madali ko siyang ma-recognize yung ganitong design. Kasi parang meron kami, ganito ate yung design ng tiles namin sa kabilang bahay. So, ayan. So, open na natin to real quick and then set up ko to. Balikan ko kayo mga kumari ko. So, ito yung ating ITEL Super 26 Ultra. So, as you can see, nakabukas na siya. And, tignan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng screen nitong ating Android phone. So, naka-max na yung ating brightness, as you can see. And then, check natin yung ating settings or yung ating... Okay. So, ayan o, 8 GB of RAM with 5 GB of RAM plus 5 GB. Virtual RAM lang yan, so expandable siya, parang ganun siya. Up until now, hindi ko pa alam yung explanation niya with this 8 GB of RAM. Okay, so rear camera. Okay, front facing. Battery 6,000. Oh, AMOLED display. Ganda oh. Grabe, smooth. So, ayan, check natin yung ating camera. So, front-facing camera tayo. As you can see. Ayan. Portrait. Ayan, portrait. Nagbablur yung ating recorders. Okay. So, picture tayo. Check natin. Grabe, ang ganda ng quality ng kanyang camera. Take ko. Kuwang-kuwa ang aking portable. Diba? Try naman natin yung back camera niya. So, we have to capture. Ayan yung ating back camera. So far, okay lang naman for me yung kanyang camera. Though, hindi pa ako makakapagbigay ng initial or the thoughts ko with this Android phone since this is just a quick unboxing. Again, if you want to consider buying this Android phone, you just have to click the yellow basket down below or pwede nyo din i-click yung link sa description box natin. Mas mura nyo yung mabibili mga sis-Mars, I swear. Ang daming voucher na binibigay ngayon. Si YouTube lalong-lalo na papalapit na po ang Pasko. Perfect na perfect to mga sis-Mars pangregalo sa inyong mga kids, sa inyong family, relatives, or any of your loved ones. Perfect na perfect to. So again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me here on my TikTok account, @_Malonzo. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, A Stories. Ayan. So thank you so much for watching, buyers.